Hello everyone and welcome to the first video of our Excel training course. Today we're going to talk about some commonly used hotkeys, and to start with we're going to cover some basics. So let's begin. Before we start, we have a quick note to add. On some keyboards you might need to press Fn button to use the F keys, or you need to press the Fn button to use keys like page up, page down, home, and end. So our first shortcut, how to create new sheet. As you can see right now, we have sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3 in our Excel file. So if you want to create a new sheet, all you need to do is just simply press Shift and F11 and sheet 4 will pop up. How to move between sheets. If you want to move between sheets clockwise, which means that if you want to move between sheets by right, all you need to do is press Control and page down. And as you can see, we just moved from sheet 4 to sheet 1. If you press one more time, we will move from sheet 1 to sheet 2. If you want to move backwards, if you want to move between sheets counterclockwise, all we need to do is press Control and page up. And that's it. Our next shortcut is how to create a new Excel file. To create a new Excel file, all you need to do is just press Control and N, and it will automatically create a new Excel file. Move between Excel files. So we just opened a new Excel file and we want to move between those files. All we need to do is just press Control and Tab, and it will automatically go to the Excel file we just closed. If we press again, we'll just come back. And just a quick note, if you want to move between the open applications, you just need to press Alt and Tab. How to zoom in and zoom out. So if you want to zoom in on an Excel file, all you need to do is press Control, Alt, and plus. And as you can see, we're just zooming in. And if you want to zoom out, you just need to press Control, Alt, and minus, and it will zoom out. Our next shortcut is how to hide and unhide the ribbon. So the ribbon, as you can see right now in the Excel file, the Home tab is open, and underneath the Home we have the paste, we have the font type, we have the font size. So that area you can see, this is what we call the ribbon. So if you want to hide that area, you just need to press Control and F1, and it will automatically close it. And if you want to unhide it, you just need to press Control F1 one more time, it will open. So just like that. And we recommend hiding the ribbon because it will create you more space to work with. How to undo and redo. So let's say you just mistyped and you just press the letter E, and as you can see right now the sales changed with the E letter. So if you want to undo what you just did, you just need to press Control and Z, and as you can see we have the sales back. If you want to redo an action, you just need to press Control Y, and the E letter will come up again. So one more time, just press Control Z, it will pop up the sales. So Shift F10, this is our next shortcut, which will open the menu key. So what we mean by right clicking is basically if you select a cell and click right, it will just pop up a menu where you can do some different actions. So for this you just need to press Shift and F10 and the menu will pop up. So a good trick for that, you can choose the action by clicking the highlighted letters. By that we mean that if you want to do cut or copy, for cut you need to press T, for copy you need to press C. So for example, if you want to clear the contents, all you need to do is just press the N button and it will automatically clear the content. Our next shortcut is how to save or save as. So to save an Excel file, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is just press Control and S, it will automatically save the file. If you want to save as, all you need to do is just press F12 and it will automatically pop up the window for save as. So how to move the window box. As you can see, the save as window is popped up and we just want to move it to left, right, down, or up. All we need to do is just press Alt and Spacebar, which will open the menu for that window, and we need to press the highlighted letter to move, which is M. And Right now we just selected the window. All we need to do is just press the arrow. So for example, if I press the left arrow, it will go left. If I press down, it will go down. That's simple. Our next shortcut is how to close Excel file. So to close Excel file, you need to press Ctrl and F4 together, and it will automatically close the Excel file. Just a quick note, if you want to close the Excel application that you have open right now, all you need to do is just like press Alt and F4 together, and it will automatically close the Excel application. So before we close, we do have a short note. As you remember, we mentioned how to use your F keys or some keys for page up, page down. So if you want to just switch the mode to use F keys with or without pressing the FM button, all you need to do is, for most of the keyboards, that's pretty easy to do. You just need to press FN and Escape button together to just, it will automatically allow you to switch the mode to use F keys with or without FN.
As you can see, we have all the shortcuts that we use in this video. You can go through by yourself and practice a little bit more. So if you want to play and test your skills, you can go to hotkeyexcel.com and download our game. So today that was it. Thank you everyone and have a lovely day.